So when we are saying Panchamahabhut, in Europe it is just 4 Mahabhutas. They don't talk about ether. But in India, Panchamahabhut ether is also there. Earlier if you say there are 4, but in India from the beginning it is 5. So but these 4 Mahabhutas, leave aside the ether, we actually talk in blocks in chemistry. So we started with fire because chemistry is mostly related to all the experience that we have. Without fire it is difficult. Maybe 80 to 90% of the experiences that we have with fire. So we start with fire. Then we go to water, air, like that, and earth. So it's part of this block where we deal with acids and bases, which is also related to earth. Bases, when you say, it is earth. So we learned about making soaps. So, but before that, we just need to know why we need soaps. There are so many things you can actually clean with water. So we did 3-4 experiences, and where we found the need of soap.
अच्छा.
Okay. So one of that experience that we did with children, that I will show you.
Okay.
So this is A2, desi cow milk.
Okay.
You will have to come a little forward,
Okay.
so that you can see. Nice. And these are food colors. I just made it in a liquid form, diluted form. So what we want to show that will be more visible with these colors. That's why you have used this food color.
ये तो नेशनल कलर्स हो गए अभी.
तू ले उधर डाल, तो उधर डाल. इस तरह.
You put the soap.
Yes.
This earbud, I've just touched the soap. इधर.
So it's all gone.
हाँ.
हिला मत.
ठीक है. You're able to see what is happening.
Yeah.
ये जो होता है वो होना चाहिए.
आप मुझे एक्सप्लेन कीजिए हुआ क्या.
हाँ. आप क्या देख रहे हैं?
I'm seeing.
Are you able to see this now? What is happening?
Yeah, it's being sucked in, or
repelled.
it's moving away from it, right? So this is about surface tension, isn't it? What are you?
So this, when I said A2 desi cow milk, yes, the milk has fat molecules, right? So the moment you put this soap liquid, this is dishwash, with the earbud we put it here, and the food color is just showing it, okay, what is happening. The moment you put it, the soap molecules, they run after the fat molecules. Okay, they go and catch it. So the moment I am putting it, is just going and spreading everywhere. Okay. So it is a dipolar molecule, soap molecules. So one side is, you say tail and head, you say, no? One side is hydrophilic, the other side is hydrophobic.
Okay.
So hydrophilic means it will hold water on that side, one side. The other side it will be holding fat molecule. So for some time it will hold this water and fat together.
Okay. I see.
So you can rinse a lot of things with water, but with oil you cannot do. So soap actually brings water and oil together. then you can wash it. Let's say you would have seen if you take dishwash or something and put your vessels with that this liquid and don't wash it for half an hour, you will not get that effect. But within 2-3 minutes you wash it rinse it with water, it will go away.
Okay, right.
So so the logic is this soap molecule will be holding it together for some time, then you can clean it.